Turkey has become one of the most wanted trade hubs in the world. Sitting at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, the country plays a pivotal role in global supply chains, and its latest trade data reveals a story you can't ignore. From January to August 2025, Turkey's exports surged across critical industries. Iron and steel led the way at nearly $25 billion, fueling infrastructure projects worldwide. Textiles and apparel continued to position Turkey as a fast fashion powerhouse. Machinery, automobiles, and agricultural products all reinforced Turkey's role in keeping markets supplied, factories running, and consumers connected. Turkey's trade corridors are no longer just regional routes, they are becoming decisive pathways for global commerce in 2025. That's why, the latest Turkey's Trade Data 2025 has become one of the most wanted datasets today. Hidden within the numbers are signals of supply routes accelerating, industries under pressure, and entirely new networks quietly forming. To inquire about world's latest Turkey trade data, click the link in the description below to learn more. Subscribe TradeInt today.